in Italian, the vocal break is called passaggio. Can you say passaggio?
Passaggio.
Passaggio is the passage. It's like the passage to where it changes. Okay. Yes.
I have one more adjective.
So why is it challenging? Because first of all, our vocal folds. So our voice in the back has this. Our vocal box. Our Let me show you a picture of how it looks like, our vocal folds. Your throat, everybody has these. They start changing, they start shrinking or stretching, especially when you go through your break. That's why it's like feels really awkward. And what's difficult is that time you don't know how to transition and prepare your body for it, right? So that's why it's really awkward. That's why that was really good if your voice stopped being optimal. How did you feel about your high-low, just in general? Let's talk about that first.
I feel like I'm hitting the notes better than I did last week.
You're doing a good job.
I feel like I opened up a bit more.
Good.
Which is what I was focusing on.
First, we have to see them yet. We always are very supportive and give encouraging words. Yeah.
Mom, 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 mom.
Do you feel you're mostly in your chest, or are you placing it more forward?
Mom, 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 mom. I feel some vibration in my nose, but is it not sounding very forward at the moment?
It doesn't sound too forward, so you want to close it on M. Like something's really delicious. That sounds more forward to me. Into your lips.
It's actually better than I expected.
Do you think it's because you sometimes when people have colds, they can sing a certain part of their voice even better?
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I have no clue.
Okay.
Maybe it was an accident.
Okay, let's do wham. Wham, 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 wham.
Maybe it wasn't an accident.
Okay, then maybe you got it down really well.
Thanks to your exercises.
What was that?
Thanks to your exercises.
Oh, yay, good. And then we can do sing, right? Sing. Everybody goes sing, sing, sing.
Batakashi changing.
Yeah.
It's not there's a fire. It's not.
No.
There's a fire. It's starting.
I know.
So
I know, exactly. Good job for paying attention to those little things. I would say for you, keep working that. We just talked about that already. But watch out for having consistency throughout, like putting forward on those other parts where you tend to want to go back to do that. But it was very good.
Okay.
Yeah. Good job, Marty.
Thank you.